Welcome to the Brand Experience Center of Highsun Group. As a global leader in chemicals and fibers, Highsun creates the hidden materials behind everyday products. Upon entering the space, visitors are surprised as 32 hidden boxes descend from the ceiling. Each box holds 3D printed models, showcasing Highsun's innovations, spanning industries from automotive to fashion. A visual timeline showcases Highsun's transformation from a small enterprise to a global powerhouse. Ascending to the second floor, visitors explore an animated overview of the company's presence in over 30 countries. A detailed city model illustrates their development plans and strategic growth. With this Brand Experience Center, Highsun reveals what is hidden, turning the invisible into the visible.